Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get the Jukebox in Subnautica below zero. Before we continue, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell for further notices. To begin, travel to the Delta station and go ahead and enter the first building. Go to your scanner and here you'll see the Jukebox fragment. Go ahead and scan it. Once you've unlocked it, go back to your base. Once you're back at the base, pick out your habitat builder and go to interior modules. Here you'll see the jukebox on which you'll need 1 quartz and 2 times titanium. Click on it, place it anywhere on the ground, and here you can play some music by using these buttons. Hope this helped, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.